Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a sourdough loaf. Let's begin. So before you get started on the recipe, you'll want to check that your starter that you made last week is ready. Grab yourself a small bowl of water and place a spoonful of the starter into it. If it floats, that's a good sign and shows that the mixture is active and ready to go. If it seems it's not ready, you need to restart. Into another bowl you'll want to add your water and your sourdough starter and just combine the two using a spatula or a whisk, whichever works best for you. You can then go ahead and add in all of your bread flour along with your salt and start to mix it by hand until everything is well combined. The mixture will be a bit loose and this is completely normal. Once you've got the dough mix, you can cover it with cling film and then leave to ferment for around 60 minutes. After the 60 minutes, your dough should have fermented and should be very well risen. Remove the cling film and place onto a lightly floured or lightly oiled work surface. You can then go ahead and bring the dough into a ball shape. I use a Scotch scraper just so I'm not handling the dough too much and overworking it. But once you've done that, you can set it aside while you prepare your basket. If you've got a basket, feel free to go ahead and use that. But if you haven't, get yourself a bowl and line it with a clean tea towel. Then flour very generously the tea towel in the bowl. You can't use too little flour. Then you can place the dough upside down in there so the bottom is on top. Don't forget to flour the top of the dough again, as you can see I didn't, and it was really hard to get back out later on, but don't worry. Flour it well and then place a tea towel covering completely and then leave for as long as needed until it's proven. The dough should be well risen and be almost at the top of the bowl. You can then take a baking tray which has been lined with some greaseproof paper or parchment paper, place on top and then flip it all over so the dough is on the tray, and then you can remove the bowl and the tea towel. If you've floured very well, the tea towel won't stick, just like that, but if it sticks you'll have to start again. Then you can cut it however you like. I just went with one cut directly across, but you can get all arty and creative and use a small blade just to cut into it however you like, but that's completely up to you. You will then want to leave it covered for around 20 minutes, and after the 20 minutes it should have just had enough time to have rested. Then you can place a metal bowl on top and place into your preheated oven and with a tray of water and bake it. I've all that information will be in the blog post, but here is what the loaf of bread looks like once it's fully baked and cooling down. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again on Thursday with another video, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description of this video. There'll be a link to this blog post, a link to my blog, and all the links to my social media, so don't forget to go and check it out and follow me over on there. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.